Hello guys, welcome again. Once again, it's Chef Bijo. Today we are going to make a very delicious and a traditional meal, that is mukimo. I'm going to take you through, so let's get into our kitchen. For our ingredients, I have potatoes, which I've already boiled them. We have our cooked githeri. We have our pumpkin leaves. We have salt, blue band, and the onions. So we are going first to boil our pumpkin leaves just a little bit, then we blend them. So the pumpkin leaves are already boiled, so I'm going to put them on a blender so that they may blend. So to my already boiled potatoes, I'm going to add my githeri. And let it cook for some minutes. To this small spoon, I'm going to add oil. Now I want to karanga my kitunguu. So it needs a lot of oil, but not that much, like that. Then I'm going to let it heat for a while. Then add my onions. So the onions, make sure that you're cooking them separately. Into this mixture, I'm going to add my pumpkin leaves. Guys, I told you. Let me try to scoop it. Then I'm going to add my salt. Make sure you put the right amount of salt. And start smashing it. Continue smashing it until it is soft and stuck together while using low heat. So to this, I'm going to add my onions. I've already cooked it, as you can see. So I'm going to add all of it together with the oil to my mixture. This will add the taste to the mukimo. And I will continue smashing it together. And then mix it well. So I'm doing. We're already done here. So also, we're going to add the blue band, just a little bit of it. Just to add the taste. Like that. Then we mix it together with the mukimo until it is well mixed. Guys, we are done with our cooking. Here is our mukimo. So tasty.